As artificial intelligence, AI, continues to push the boundaries of innovation, one critical question hovers over society. Can AI robots replace human professionals like doctors, teachers, and engineers? From top tech conferences to everyday discussions, this debate has ignited both excitement and apprehension. In this video, we'll explore both sides of the argument to give a balanced perspective on whether AI is truly ready to take over these crucial roles, or if human expertise remains irreplaceable. Let's dive into the promises, challenges, and ethical concerns surrounding this monumental shift, sector by sector. Artificial intelligence comes with undeniable strengths: precision, efficiency, and scalability. AI algorithms can sift through massive amounts of data much faster than humans, uncover patterns we can't see, and make decisions in microseconds. These qualities make AI robots attractive candidates for handling specialized tasks in fields like healthcare, education, and engineering. But while the technology is tantalizing, the question is not just if AI can perform these tasks, it's whether it should replace the humans behind them. To answer that, let's break down AI's impact on each profession. Healthcare is one of the most critical fields where AI adoption is rapidly growing. Today, AI-powered tools are diagnosing diseases with remarkable accuracy. For instance, algorithms like those used in medical imaging can detect cancer in scans at earlier stages than some human doctors. There are also robotic-assisted surgeries enabling greater precision, resulting in fewer complications. Clearly, the potential to save lives, reduce costs, and minimize human error is immense. But here's the counterpoint. Can machines genuinely provide the empathy and emotional connection patients need? A robot may offer precise advice, but can it comfort a nervous parent or deliver life-changing news with compassion? While AI excels in processing clinical data, it lacks the human touch, something that's especially important in patient care. Furthermore, ethical concerns arise. For example, if an AI makes a fatal error, who's truly responsible? The developer? The hospital? These uncertainties make it hard to imagine AI fully replacing doctors anytime soon. For now, the sweet spot might be collaboration. Doctors using AI as a diagnostic or surgical assistant, combining human intuition with machine speed and accuracy, may be the future rather than outright replacement. Teaching is another sector primed for AI disruption, with systems already making education more personalized and accessible. Tools like AI tutors adjust lessons to match a student's pace, offering tailored feedback and learning experiences. This can be revolutionary in delivering education to underserved areas, ensuring more students gain access to fundamental skills. But can AI motivate, inspire, or mentor students? While a teacher connects emotionally, drawing from experience and intuition to influence a child's growth, a machine is bound by programmed logic. Imagine a classroom where every answer follows a rigid algorithm. Would students form the same human connections that drive creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking? The risk of dehumanized learning is genuinely concerning. Moreover, teaching isn't just about transferring knowledge. It's about shaping young minds, encouraging curiosity, and providing moral guidance, qualities we still depend on humans to deliver. As with healthcare, AI can play a supportive role by assisting teachers in administrative tasks or supplementing lessons, but fully replacing educators could jeopardize the very fabric of what makes education meaningful. Engineering has already embraced AI, with robots designing, optimizing, and maintaining complex systems. Algorithms identify inefficiencies or predict a machine's failure before it happens, saving companies massive costs and time. In the world of structural or mechanical engineering, AI is also automating traditionally time-consuming design processes. Yet here lies the dilemma. While AI is great at following rules and optimizing systems for efficiency, creativity in engineering requires more than just logic. Innovating groundbreaking designs or solving unprecedented problems often comes down to human ingenuity and intuition. qualities machines simply don't possess. How will engineers balance the art and science of their work in a world increasingly dominated by automation? Another challenge is over-reliance on AI. If we allow machines to run the show entirely, could human engineers lose critical skills over time? Moreover, should AI-designed structures or systems fail unexpectedly, how equipped will we be to address these situations without the foundational knowledge retained by humans? Unlike other professions, engineering's reliance on creativity and adaptability makes total machine substitution incredibly risky. Beyond individual professions, AI's implications ripple through society as a whole. One pressing concern is the potential job displacement AI could cause. If machines take over tasks traditionally performed by professionals, where does that leave humans? Are we looking at a world where job markets for doctors, teachers, and engineers shrink drastically? Another important ethical issue revolves around decision-making. For instance, can a healthcare robot decide the best course of action for a critically ill patient when emotional considerations are just as significant as clinical data? Or can an AI educator teach ethics and empathy when it lacks those qualities itself? There's also the risk of systemic bias. Since AI systems learn from historical data, the biases present in their training datasets can amplify inequality or discrimination, whether in diagnosing patients, educating students, or solving engineering problems. The lack of oversight on such biases presents a serious danger. While AI has made enormous strides, it is far from perfect. For starters, AI struggles with unpredictability. Doctors often face patients with unusual symptoms, teachers deal with students who think outside the box, and engineers confront unique challenges in one-off projects. Can a machine, no matter how advanced, truly adapt to these situations as a human can? Another issue lies in accountability. An error made by AI can result in life-altering consequences in fields like healthcare or engineering. But since robots are tools, liability often falls into a murky legal and ethical gray area, complicating its widespread adoption. Lastly, the emotional intelligence needed across these professions is something AI hasn't mastered. Can algorithms mimic the kindness, motivation, or creative spark humans bring to their work? The answer, at least for now, is no. For all its challenges, AI doesn't have to be an adversary. Instead, it has the unique potential to become a collaborator. Imagine a scenario where AI and humans work together harmoniously. Doctors with access to advanced diagnostic tools, teachers aided by AI-driven lesson plans, and engineers harnessing designs streamlined by machine learning. This approach allows professionals to amplify their expertise while compensating for human limitations like fatigue or human error. Collaboration could represent the best of both worlds, enhanced efficiency without sacrificing creativity or empathy. The rise of AI is, at its core, a wake-up call for professionals to evolve. Future doctors may need to learn how to analyze AI-curated research. Teachers might focus more on emotional guidance and less on rote repetition. And engineers could shift their creativity toward bold innovations that machines cannot envision. Adaptation will require reskilling as professionals learn to integrate AI into their workflows. This evolution may lead us toward a tech-powered workforce where humans and machines operate side by side, each playing to their strengths. Ultimately, whether AI is ready to replace doctors, teachers, and engineers is less about technology's readiness and more about society's goals. Do we see AI as a tool to enhance human impact, or a replacement for human presence entirely? Can AI's efficiency ever truly compensate for the emotional intelligence, creativity, and ethical reasoning humans bring to their work? The answer likely lies somewhere in the middle, a balance between automation and the irreplaceable value of human contribution. And now we turn the conversation to you, our audience. What do you think? Should AI aim to replace or complement professionals in these careers? Where should we draw the line to preserve the humanity in our most essential roles? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious, stay innovative, and join us for more explorations into the intersection of technology and humanity. Until next time.